The Comet PTO TWN 603623/200 has been designed to meet cleaning needs both for routine and more complex operations. Its design as a PTO pressure washer makes it perfect for coupling with agricultural tractors, proving particularly efficient in cleaning agricultural vehicles directly in the field, thanks to the power supplied by the tractor's power takeoff. With its maximum flow rate of 23 liters of water per minute, it can effectively remove dirt and debris. The pressure washer equipment includes a high-pressure gun, a 10-meter hose, and a double-barreled angled lance with its respective nozzles. In conclusion, the Comet PTO TWN 603623/200 is a practical and professional solution for those who need a highly performing cleaning device, suitable for multiple applications, meeting the needs of those working in agriculture or in the maintenance of large structures.